You searched how to buy shares of Jfrog Ltd, and this short video walks through the steps. Jfrog is a software company focused on DevOps and artifact management, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker FROG. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place trades. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker FROG to locate the company quickly. Select the listing that matches Jfrog Ltd on NASDAQ to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart showing recent performance. Double-check the company name, exchange, and the FROG ticker to confirm this is the right asset. Press Buy or Trade. Enter the amount you want to invest. Review the order details carefully and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will be visible in your portfolio, where you can monitor it over time. For the example used in this walkthrough, find the eToro link in the description below.